My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use and add emojis in the Figma. So guys, if you want to add the emojis and use the emojis in your Figma, it is very simple. First of all, open your project and simply go for the option of here. You check the option of actions. When you click on the option of access, so guys, you simply search the emoji. Okay, if you are not getting the emoji in the all section, so you simply click option of plugins and widgets. Here you get the emojis too. Here is you get the Google emoji by the icon duck. So you just click here and you get around 3600 free open source emojis for the cloud duck. So just click the option of run, so it start loading, and guys, here you see that your loading icon is set. And if you want to particularly search any emoji, so you also search here, otherwise it shows lot of emojis here. So guys, here it's loading your icon sets, so you just wait and you also refresh if it is not work. And here is it shows something went wrong, so maybe after a few seconds and few minutes if it is not work, so guys, you also other one, because here you check there is a lot of emojis plugins and widgets on your Figma. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.